It was nice last night. Huh. Hey guys, we're at Topsail Hill Preserve State Park in Florida, Santa Rosa Beach. And here's our lovely camp spot, brought all the bikes. And we have an electric here. And there's also a water spigot. I want to show you, we brought a little air conditioning unit. Yesterday when we got here it was 95 and got home from playing at the beach and it was probably still 88, but inside it was probably 72 for this little AC unit. Let me show you what we did. So to help keep the air from escaping, we've got 3 large tarps covering so that the air cannot escape, and then we put our rain tarp on top of that. And it was hot and muggy and humid last night. Florida summer, camping in June, but inside the tent it was beautiful. Hey, and this one was cold last night too. It's just kind of a mess in here. Watch out, bud. Got cot set up, and then around the AC unit is the tent. Oops. The window unit has these little flaps, and those are just on the inside of the tent, and try to close and zip up as much as possible so there's no air escaping. Used a little blanket to cover over there to insulate. And then we've got little fans moving the air around. But it was nice last night. Our low 70s. Right now we've got it set at 68. You can't see it because of the digital readout, but it says 68. This is a little frigid air. Each of these sites also comes with a clothesline, which is great since we're camping by the beach. You can hang up all your stuff to dry. Lots of room. There's a fire ring, picnic table. Here's a look at the electric. We've got the sous vide getting ready to warm up breakfast.